Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishabh and I am going to read and only read for you all guys almost all the chapters of 9th ICSE. So let's begin. I know there was a huge gap for uploading the videos because I was busy with my projects and tests, so I'll surely try to upload all the videos regularly. So now let's do today the question and answers of Old Man at the Bridge. I'm going to even discuss some extra questions, so I think so you won't get the picture. Just listen it and write the answers and questions. So the first question can be, who sat by the side of the road? Where had he come from? An old man with steel-rimmed glasses and dusty clothes and grey dusky face sat by the side of the road. He had come from town of San Carlos, his native hometown. Second question, what was the duty of the narrator? It was the narrator's duty / business to cross the bridge, explore the bridgehead beyond and found out to what point the enemy had advanced. Next question, which was old man's town? What was his occupation? The old man's native town was San Carlos. He looked after his animals and took care of them, although he didn't look like a shepherd nor a herdsman because of the steel-rimmed spectacles he had worn. Next, what made the old man smile? The old man smiled because it gave him a sense of belonging to mention his hometown and also gave him pleasure to mention his native hometown. Next, why is the old man the last one to leave his town? Describe his physical appearance. Answer, the old man was the last one to leave his hometown, San Carlos. He had left his place because the captain told him to do so because of the artillery fire. He was reluctant to leave because he did not wish to leave his various animals behind. Let's answer the second part, which is describe his physical appearance. The old man wore steel-rimmed glasses and had dusty clothes and grey dusky face and sat by the side of the road. Next question, who is referred to as he in the extract above? In what condition is he? Answer, old man is referred to as he in the above extract, and the old man was too tired to go any further. He had already walked 12 kilometers. And moreover, he was a fatalist and did not care about his safety and had resigned to his fate as a casualty of war. What all animals did he own? What kind of relationship did he share with them? So answer is, the old man took care of several animals. There were 3 in total. There were 2 goats, a cat and 4 pair of pigeons. He was worried about the fate of the animals whom he had left behind. Next part of the answer, the old man had no family, so his whole life circles around his animals. He expresses his deep concern about the safety of his animals. Next question, what does the old man mean when he states I am without politics? Why does he mention his age? So the answer is, the old man here is a symbol of countless civilian victims of war, those which are without politics. He does not have any political opinion or views. At the end of his life, at 76 years of age, he is neither worried about his dreams or goals or any other political opinion, nor about his life or health, but only about a few animals for which he felt responsible. Next question. The narrator says this is not a good place to stop. Which place is he referring to? Why is it not advisable to halt there? So firstly, he is saying that because the narrator is worried about the safety of the old man at the bridge. Which place is he referring to? The answer is, he is referring to the pontoon bridge. Why it is not advisable to halt there? Because the fascists could launch their planes anytime. The narrator wants him to make it to the trucks up to the road where it forked to Tortosa and then towards Barcelona. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will continue the question and answers in part 2. Thank you.